My name is Kristen White. I'm with TH2 Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to hard start your Surface. I learned this the hard way. Had to drive all the way to the Microsoft store and meet with a couple of people, but the solution is easy. And it all started with an update that the Surface or the Microsoft had done automatically that froze my computer. So how to hard start it is up here on the top of your computer, there's the on-off button that you can push like that. If you push that button simultaneously with the up volume key, push them at the same time and hold them down for 15 seconds, it will restart or hard start your computer, making it reset itself so that whatever update or however it was glitching will reset and your computer will come back normal. And there you have it. This happened in two scenarios. One time the screen went black and it just said Surface and I was able to use my mouse. And the second time it just would not come back and work. So that's how you hard start your Surface.